Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Stepper motors are an integral part of various industrial, commercial, and D projects, offering precise and controlled motion with a unique step-by-step operation. Whether it's in robotics, CNC machines, 3D printers, or even camera rigs, the efficiency and accuracy of stepper motors make them a preferred choice for applications requiring controlled movement. In this overview, we will delve into the world of stepper motors and highlight the top 5 options that stand out in terms of performance, reliability, and versatility. These stepper motors have proven their worth across different domains, showcasing their ability to convert electrical signals into precise mechanical movements and enabling innovation in countless fields. Whether you're a professional engineer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, exploring the best stepper motors can provide the necessary drive for your next project's success. Number 5. Cloudray 57HS22 Stepper Motor. The Cloudray 57HS22 boasts a substantial holding torque of 2.2 Nm, which is essential for maintaining accurate positioning and smooth motion even under heavy loads. I found that it effortlessly handled tasks that required consistent torque delivery, ensuring my projects ran smoothly without any hitches. Its 1.8-degree step angle contributed to precise positioning, allowing me to achieve fine-tuned accuracy in my applications. One standout feature of this stepper motor is its solid build quality. The NEMA 23 frame size, coupled with a phase count of 2, makes it compact yet powerful. The motor's construction exudes durability, and its design suggests that it can withstand the rigors of industrial use. The 8mm shaft size adds to its versatility, accommodating a variety of coupling options. Setting up the Cloudray 57HS22 was a breeze. The motor's wiring was straightforward, thanks to clearly labeled connectors. This simplicity in installation is a great advantage, especially for those who may not be as experienced with motor setups. The 81mm length and reasonable weight of 1.15 kilograms make it relatively easy to incorporate into existing setups or designs. Number 4. HANPOSE 17HS4401 Stepper Motor. One of the key aspects of any stepper motor is its ability to deliver consistent and accurate motion, and the HANPOSE 17HS4401 does not disappoint. With a current rating of 1.58 per phase, this stepper motor ensures powerful and controlled movement that is essential for a wide range of applications. Whether you're working on a 3D printer, CNC machine, or any other project requiring precise motion control, this motor can handle the task with ease. The holding torque of 40 Nm is indeed noteworthy. This level of torque is more than sufficient for maintaining stable positioning even under varying loads, making the 17HS4401 a reliable choice for projects where maintaining position is critical. This feature alone significantly boosts its utility across multiple industries. The 1.8-degree step angle contributes to the motor's exceptional precision. This fine resolution ensures smooth and accurate movement, allowing for intricate designs and detailed outputs in applications like 3D printing and laser engraving. Number 3. Cloudray 23CS30C500 Stepper Motor. The first thing that caught my attention was the brand reputation. Cloudray is well known for producing high-quality motion control products, and the 23CS30C500 is no exception. The motor's build quality exudes durability and sturdiness, reassuring me of its ability to withstand demanding tasks. One of the standout features of the 23CS30C500 is its impressive holding torque of 3.0 Nm. This substantial torque ensures that the motor can maintain its position even under significant load, providing stability and accuracy in motion. Whether used in CNC machinery, 3D printers, or other precision-driven applications, the motor's ability to hold its ground is truly commendable. The step angle of 1.8 degrees ±5% contributes to the motor's precision in movement. This level of accuracy is crucial for applications where fine control and intricate motion are required. The 23CS30C500 delivers consistent and predictable steps, resulting in smooth and reliable operation. Number 2. JCWIN an EMA34 stepper motor. One of the standout features of the JCWIN and EMA34 stepper motor is its remarkable torque range. With options for 4.5 N, 8.5 N, and 12 N torque, it's apparent that this motor is designed to handle a wide array of tasks. Whether it's propelling a boat, assisting an electric bicycle, or operating home appliances, This motor boasts the strength needed to get the job done efficiently. The continuous current of 6A ensures a stable and reliable operation even during demanding tasks. The motor's versatility is further highlighted by its compatibility with various applications, from automotive use, such as in cars and boats, to consumer electronics, fans, home appliances. The JCWIN and EMA34 seamlessly adapts to different scenarios. This adaptability makes it a suitable choice for both industrial and consumer projects, offering flexibility that is highly valued in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. The JCWIN and EMA34 stepper motor employs a brush commutation system and features a permanent magnet construction. This not only enhances the motor's efficiency, i.e. one efficiency rating, but also contributes to its overall reliability and durability. The closed-loop design adds an extra layer of precision, ensuring accurate positioning and motion control, which is particularly important in applications where precision is paramount. Number 1. QDLASER 573S15 Stepper Motor. The standout feature of the QDLASER 573S15 is undoubtedly its outstanding performance. With a current per phase rating of 5.8A, this stepper motor delivers a level of power that is hard to match in its class. I found it to be incredibly responsive and precise, which is crucial for applications where accurate positioning is required. The holding torque of 1.3 Nm is more than sufficient for handling demanding tasks, ensuring stable operation even under load. The stepper motor maintained its efficiency even during prolonged use. While the heat generated was noticeable, it remained well within acceptable limits. However, users might want to consider implementing additional cooling solutions for continuous high-intensity operations. The compact design of the 573S15, featuring a NEMA 23 three-phase frame size, makes it easy to integrate into various projects, whether it's a 3D printer, CNC machine, or robotic application. The motor's shaft size of 8 mm and length of 76 mm offer versatility when adapting it to different setups. The build quality is impressive, with attention to detail evident in every aspect, from the sturdy construction to the precision machined components. Thanks for watching this video.